Hello, today we're going to finalize and test our Breitenberg vehicle. Let's get started. Alright, so in the previous step we wired up our Esp32 driven line tracking vehicle. I didn't finish the code on the video because that's your job on the lab, but I'm going to show you how to finish up this project and tune it. So we set up our tuning pot earlier to feed data into our Esp32, and we used our code to calculate the gain of the sensors going out to the motors using that potentiometer. That'll be for your lab procedures to figure out how to do. But in the meantime, we're going to finish assembling our robot. So first thing we're going to do is take our Abacon battery, which is a big old thing here, and find our USB port, and then we're going to put it down so the USB port is near the Esp32. Okay. You can put this in both ways once you get the zip ties in. However, for right now, we're going to be setting it up in the Esp32 mode. So, what you notice when you put the battery down is that there are two little holes. 1 and 2. Right here. 1 and 2. You're going to want to put the zip tie through those holes to get started. Okay. Pull one zip tie all the way through. See? Don't want to unplug our motor. And grab the other zip tie. Note, I have two zip ties stuck together, and that's how I'm making my zip ties long enough to do this. Alrighty. Alright, let me just place our battery up on top. Put the zip tie in, and click it into place. Zip tie in, click it into place. Good. Oops. Good. Alright, so you'll note that the battery is hanging out over the caster, putting a lot of weight there, and the sensors are in front of all of that. And then you're going to take the small little white USB cable that comes with the Abacon battery. Note, this is not a data cable. You can't use this to program your Esp32, but you can use it to provide power. That is exactly what we're going to do. And we're just going to plug it in to our USB, as if we were powering it otherwise. And you'll note it follows a line. Now, you can test your robot by following forwards and then also backwards. So you put your robot on the line going backwards, and it should follow the line going both ways. You can also flip your box over and check to see that it stops on the crossbar. And if you push it past, it keeps going until it gets to the edge of the table. Alright. And that is final assembly of our little base pod. I hope you have enjoyed the work that we've done together and build cool robots. Thanks.